How to use ajwain for cold. Take a teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds. Dry roast these seeds for 2-3 minutes on a pan. Once the seeds start giving out fumes or strong fragrance, switch off the gas. Add all the seeds in a clean cotton cloth and tie it to make a potli. Now, inhale the fumes of the seeds by keeping the potli close to your nose. Do this for 10-15 minutes or till you feel the pungent fragrance of the seeds. Repeat the process for 3 to 4 times a day to get rid of a cold in a day or two. Ajwain is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which not only relieve chest congestion but also help you to deal with cold and sinusitis. So if you have headache along with cold, this remedy can help.